All right, kiddos, I have another type of pot for you. It's going to start off the same as the pinch pot. So I'm going back and forth in my hands, squeeze and rotate, squeeze, rotate, and then flatten it in my hands, round it out in my hands. Then we are not going to do a pinch pot this time. We're gonna make it into a pancake. I don't want a tortilla. I don't want a juicy hamburger. I want a pancake. So we're gonna use this part of our palm, not the soft part that will hurt. I'm not clapping, but I'm gonna go back and forth, back and forth. Okay, so we're gonna push this here, here, back and forth. Start in the middle and work your way out. And then, so I started here and then I started flattening all the way out to here. Thickness of a pancake, it droops a little bit, but not a lot. If it's too thin, it drips and you won't be able to keep the form. If it's too thick, then you can't shape it on your knee. So then I'm gonna take my chair. Okay, I'm gonna move you down a little bit. Try not to make you dizzy. Okay, so I'm sitting on my chair. I'm putting my foot on the chair. I'm gonna put my knee with the paper towel over it. Okay, and then I am just shaping it on my knee. And when I give this back to you, it will be the shape of your knee still. And it will fit on your knee. Then when you bring it up to me, you are going to wrap the paper towel underneath. We're gonna put your sticker on top, and then I'll give it back to you later when it's all fired.